Hey beauties, it's your girl Mercedes from Girly Curls. In this particular video, I wanted to share my recommendations on what products I've been using that have been making my natural hair and my no heat challenge so much easier to deal with and embracing my curls. I've been using some of these products for a long time. Some of them I just started using a couple months ago. I also been using other products, but these are the top recommendations that I have for those who are embracing their natural hair, their kinky curly hair, and just started their challenge and just started their journeys. So my first couple products are my hair conditioner and my hair shampoo. Just regular conditioner after I use shampoo. It's my OGX coconut milk hair shampoo and my hair conditioner. I like these products because they're organic and I just love the way it makes my hair feel. When I used to straighten my hair, I loved the way it made my hair feel with the straightener and the heat. But now that I don't straighten my hair, I just love how it hydrates and embraces my curls. I've been using these products for about 2 years now and I just love them. Like I said, it's organic, it's nice. I just love them for my bounciness on my curls, the hydration on my curls, and the balance that I have. So I definitely recommend that as your hair shampoo and your conditioner because these products from this brand just works wonders on your hair. My next product is my hair detangler. I now live by this hair detangler. It works so well with my type of hair. I have like 4A, 4B kinky curly hair, and when I wash it, sometimes I just do not feel like washing it because I know I'm going to have to detangle it. But using this detangler has helped me and I'm just amazed by it. It's my Manes and Tails hair detangler and it works wonders. I've been using this for a couple months and I literally spray a little bit on whatever section I'm going to detangle and I comb it right through. It just works so amazing. I have been using this a couple months and this is still my first bottle. So you don't even need to use that much on your hair. And I have thick curly hair in this bun that I have on right now, but it works wonders. For those who have difficulties detangling their hair, I definitely recommend this. It still hydrates your curls, it gives it the bounce, it doesn't change your curl pattern, and it gets rid of the knots. So that's my #1 hair detangler in my opinion. The next product I have is my Softy Coconut Oil. It's my hair conditioner. I've been using this hair conditioner for quite some time now, and I just love the way it hydrates my curls and it keeps it nice and silky. I also recommend this because I started using it with my perm rods and my twist outs, and I use oils as well, but I've been using this, spreading it on my hair and twisting it out, and it helps without get rid of the frizz. So I definitely recommend this if you're doing those. I might do a hair tutorial on that so I can show you how it doesn't make my hair frizzy when I take out my perm rod. So I definitely recommend this as a conditioner. It works very nice. It keeps your hair nice and soft, and it's a nice product to have. My next product is my Cantu Shea Butter. It's Growth Strong Strengthening Treatment. It's supposed to promote hair growth if you put it in from root to tip. Also straightens and protects your hair from heat damage. I've noticed that it helps my hair with the split ends and it helps get rid of the breakage on my hair. I don't know if it's been helping with my hair growth. I do want to do a hair length check to see if my hair is growing, especially with doing the no heat. But I definitely recommend this for those who do have split ends and do get a little bit of breakage because I've noticed that it helped without the shedding and it helps get rid of the shedding and it helps with the breakage of the split ends. So I definitely recommend that for hydration as well. My next product is my Eco Styling Gel. I have the olive oil type and I've noticed that that particular gel that I have been using doesn't make my hair feel crunchy, and that's what I love. I don't like it when my hair is crunchy and crispy with gel. That's why I'm very I'm kind of wary or lenient when it comes to gel, or leery when it comes to gel rather, and I just love the way this gel works. I put a little on my hair in the back when I want to slick it up or slip it front, and it keeps my curls nice and tacked without that crunchy, crispy feeling. It also works nice on my baby hairs as well, so it makes me get it on a fleek, if you know what I mean. But I definitely recommend this gel for those who do not like crunchy type of hair when it comes to their curls. My next product is my Unique One. I've been using this product when I used to straighten my hair, and I'm not going to lie, that product is a little pricey. However, you get your bang for your buck because it works with so much, like it works with the heat protection and the heat damage, and it says 10 different things that it does for your hair, but there's 4 things in particular that I've noticed for my hair. It's helped with shine and frizz control, heat protection, silkiness and smoothness, and split ends. I definitely recommend this for the split ends and the heat protection because with this, you literally squirt a little bit on your hair. You don't even need to use that much. And it's just worked with my split ends and heat protection when I used to straighten my hair. So I definitely recommend that product as well. Also, I have another OGX Organics product. It's my coconut milk. This helps to hydrate my hair, and when I refresh my curls in the morning, that also helps put my curls back to life and bring them back to life, and also hydrates it very nice with a light, nice hydration. So these are the products that I definitely recommend. I also have been trying other products out, but these are my top products that I've been using thus far that have just been helping me with my curly hair and my no heat challenge, and it's just helped me embrace my curls. So I recommend these products. If you guys have any products that you recommend that helps with your curly hair and your challenge, please subscribe and comment below. Definitely. And follow me on Instagram at __girlycurls__. Please follow and subscribe to this channel. It's the same thing, __girlycurls__. Like I said, if you guys have any products that you want me to try or that you guys recommend, please, I would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support that I have been getting from everyone. I appreciate it tremendously. And I look forward to seeing more of you guys. So have a good day, guys. Bye.